Good morning, guys! I'm in the stage, going to heaven on earth. Anyway, guys, good morning. It is happy. What is today? 12? No, 13, I think. But I'm not sure. I'm gonna put the date right here, guys. So anyway, guys, good morning. Vacuum time here in the second floor. I am just wearing house clothes. I'm wearing house clothes. Okay. Everybody, everywhere. Hi guys, Tammy is in the second floor. I have to rush. In the second floor roof. She's in the roof second floor, and we're doing something, painting something. Hold on. And that smell, Han, it's very strong. This is what he's doing, guys. Hold on, I don't know if you can see. Look, this is what I told you that I'm gonna make a review, but look, I don't know if you can see the difference, guys. Hold on.
Well, I can see it when I wipe the one that you're actually doing. When you're actually filming it, I wipe it down.
Look, he's outside. Yeah, he's in the roof. He's in the roof. This is not a paint. This is not a paint that he's doing. It's the wipe new recolor. It's not a paint. It's just some product that you see on TV. And I saw this on CVS and we got it and we'll try it. But look, it's really amazing. It's working, but
You have to come back in a few days and see, because it may, once it dries up, it may go back. Who knows? Ideally, it should stay, but we don't know.
Any color, guys. You can any color of your house furniture like that, and you can buy any of this. It's not gonna like you have to pick the color. That the same thing with your window, whatever you do. It's just suddenly it's just the colors pop up, whatever color is the furniture.
Okay, now you want to do it on one of those on that side we can see.
Yeah, so this is the color of the before, guys. This one right here in the window, and you see the difference, guys, right? But you'll see it here later. First, it's gonna do over there. You see that? It's just a freaking liquid. You pour in the cloth and then it's changed. Oh my god, it's very strong. So we're going back to the other house, guys, and after this I think we're gonna go. Oh, I have laundry too. I'm gonna let him know that I have to go downstairs.
What?
I'm going downstairs. I can't take the smell, guys. It's strong, gives me headache. But at least he's doing it outside in the wind. You know, keep doing the wind. It's not just stuck in one room. He's doing it, or else it's gonna give him a bad headache more. Anyway, so I'm doing laundry and I try to edit more video because for sure in the other house is gonna be, I mean, I have time over there, but I'm gonna start packing there, and that's a hard thing. Let's try to go outside and see Tommy. Hold on, guys. Let's see if we can see him out there. It's freezing cold. It's freezing cold. Let's see. Where is he? Where are you? I'm gonna do it right here, guys. Oh my god, look at the eyes, guys. Look at the eyes, look at the eyes, look at this. I'm gonna film him right here. I need to go inside, guys. I'm freezing cold. And it's very windy too. Hey guys, I'm not talking to Tommy, I'm talking to you, but you know what? I can't handle myself being mute. So we're having some burger. So we're having the Burger King, the one that we have left over from yesterday. I bring some here, and I left something for my sister-in-law and my mother-in-law. So we have few here, and there is kind of round here, but I don't understand what it is. This thing here, the round. Cheesy tots. Cheesy tots, Tommy said it's kind of like potato tots. I don't know why they don't call it potato tots.
They call them tater tots, but these have cheese in them, so they call them
Tater tots. My husband is cleaning the chandelier. The one that we have right here is very unique. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that chandelier. Well, for the meantime, while we're not here yet, this is what we're using. That one, guys, that one. I can't wait to transfer my mother-in-law's chandelier here. Can't wait. Because she have the best chandelier. I mean, the one, you seen it? The one that she have in the other house. Gonna be hanging here. Sparkly toss. Be careful, you're gonna be electrocuted. Oh, that bulb is wet. Your hand is wet, hon. I don't know why the previous owner have this kind, you know. There is a nicer and cheaper, and it's more nicer. No, it's more spark in the ceiling. He's doing it because I can't reach anything. The funny thing is, every time my husband walk in here and he's not looking around, hit his head. This chandelier, guys, hit his head twice. Yeah.
Not great.
Okay. So guys, and we are going. Oh, let me see the laundry. The laundry is done, supposedly. Let me swear. Oh yeah, it's done. Hold on, guys. Anuhin ko lang to, kunin ko lang to. Kunin mo na ang lahat sa akin. Wag lang ang aking hamal. Wag lang ang aking hamal. Mahal, guys, mahal. Ibig kita yung mahal ka na namin ng iba. Kunin mo na ang lahat sa akin. Wag lang si hamal. Dandalatat. This is not gonna fit in our dining hall. This is the small one. I'm gonna look what we have in the attic because I know I can't. Oh my God! It's not even. This is thin. Oh, I washed this twice already. But this thing it came off. It won't come off.
You put it in the dryer?
Yeah.
Oh, you put it in the dryer before you do it, and you.
Well, I washed this twice.
You're supposed to check to make sure it stains out before you put it in the dryer.
I did wash it before in the other house.
It's got to be pre-treated. Can't just wash it. Stain has to be treated.
I put some treating. Like I don't put Clorox in it, but I put like spray.
Well, but you gotta scrub it. You gotta check it before you throw it in the dryer. Any stain still there is gonna stick. It's gonna be harder to get out. Usually impossible. Once you put it in the dryer, it usually doesn't come out after that.
Put this there for now. We can use this in. So guys, we are leaving. I am living on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. Oh, I let you go. You dishy. We're in the dollar store, guys. This is one. I'm getting some ribbon. This is nice right here. Hi guys, it is time check. It's 2:53 in the afternoon, and we came here. We stopped somewhere, and I'm gonna do a dollar store haul. A haul. Haul. I'm gonna make a haul, guys. Dollar store. And yeah, so I was driving going here from our house, and of course obviously I can't vlog when driving. And my god, the sun when I was driving, guys, is attacking my eyes. Like I have to do like this. Oh, and in the street is very tiny, 2 lanes, and then the speed limit is 55, which is not bad. But the thing, and the sun, it bothers me so bad. So I told Tommy to get these eyeglasses from my bag, and he did, because he's a good boy. He's a good little boy na. He's a good little man. He's a good little boy na. He's a good little man. That's Hubsy boy. Or do you think Hub get that a good thing in him? From his dada. Hi guys, we are home a while ago. We are home a while ago. Daddy's mad at you. Why Daddy's mad at you? Somebody's here, look. Who is this little girl? Very pretty. Who is this pretty little girl? Is that my dimps?
Huh? Let Misty go bark her face off. Misty's still outside. Roxy was stupid enough to come bolting in.
This crazy dog.
And I'm in a t-shirt. It's cold out there. Hey Tommy, off the top of your head, because I know you probably have some downstairs somewhere, but...
Unboxing from the 100-year-old box. When Tommy was very young, I think he started buying stuff. And it's very cute. Super cute. Look at Roxy's afraid of paper. Oh, that's really cute, hon. I like it. That was Roxy, what are you afraid of? So, this is when, like, I think 20 years old, hon?
Yeah, something like that, 19.
When he was like that age, guys. 19, 20, he buy this, and until now we're still here. Oh, but I think that need cleaning, hon.
I think it was a brass polish on it.
Yeah, it's a brass polish. The same thing with the one that lampshade, right? Oh, that's really nice. I like it, hon. That's good for in front of the fireplace to put some decoration.
That's all good for holding like flower pot or something.
Yeah, telephone. It's marble, guys. It's marble. We have to find a cleaner though. It's nice. I hope the dog won't knock it over. It's the same marble with that in the table there. They look kind of same.
Yeah, it's real. It's real brass, solid brass.
It's real, of course. In
not,
old days,
brass plate crap.
yeah, in old days, everything is like not fakey looking. This one is real.
I tell you, I remember I bought it too. There's the second one there.
You found it, but you don't find your other one, the one that the plate thing.
I did not.
And guys, I'm also editing for tomorrow's video to be upload, but it's not gonna be like vlogging thing. It's a kind of story time video. So that's really it. So it's right here, my laptop's right here, and I will continue that later. It's done. I just have to do an intro and outro, and that's it, period. And I'm making something, guys. Hold on. It's not making, it's like all I have to do is put it in the oven. And I think I showed you this before. Tommy got this in Costco. We always got it in Costco. And this is the pot roast, beef pot roast. It's cooked by an hour, and it's already been here for, 7 minutes, and I covered it with foil. Eventually, if no one really touches it, I will see you later, guys. It's just everything here is like the table is full of stuff, so I'm going to say goodnight, guys, and yes, I will see you in my next vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Oh, you're shaking already, baby. Good girl. What?